Hello, my name is Mr. Everest, and I'm going to be your trigonometry teacher this summer 2025 session. The CRN for this course is 42753. In order to be able to do all the work that you have to do in the class, which is an online course, you have to be able to navigate to our Canvas class. Eventually, you'll be registering for a Canvas Lake My Math Lab course, but I'll be sending you a separate video that I'll have posted on my YouTube channel due to the file size. Then I'll be sharing with you later after I share this video. So you have to first navigate to my.citruscollege.edu, which I'm hovering over. And then you'll click on the Canvas Learning Management System tile. If you can't find it, just type Canvas in the search engine and you'll see that tiles pop up. So once you click on the Canvas LMS Learning Management System tile, it'll take you to all the courses that you're registered in for this summer session at Citrus College. I'm teaching a pre-calculus class Monday through Thursday from 9 to 12:35, and there's a co-requisite course with that course, so that's why these two tiles have pre-calculus written on them. This is the tile for our class, trigonometry. Or conversely, if you click on the courses main navigation link in Canvas, up will pop courses and you would just click on that link instead of the tile. Either way gets you in to our trig class. So the first assignment is to read the syllabus, which I'll be sending to you as an attachment in our welcome letter, and also this homepage. This homepage is extensive, and you need to read through all of it to see all the things that you need to know in order to be successful in the course, including resources. The first link in here, all the links should be active and take you to appropriate places. This first link is to an optional Zoom session held tomorrow, Monday, June 23rd from 1 to 2 p.m. I do have it running a little long in case there's questions at the end. Go and continue to read through the rest of this welcome letter, as well as clicking on the other links if you're interested in those resources. In this class, all my assignments will not be accessible through the assignments or modules links, as is the case with many other Canvas courses. If you've taken other classes online, or even classes where they have online resources, a lot of Canvas classes ask you to go to modules or assignments. You do not do that with this course. You click syllabus. And I know that seems a little bit non-intuitive, but when you click the syllabus button, you'll see that there is a link for the syllabus and other links for the discussion board directions and discussion board post area, as well as a link to the STEM Center for tutoring that you can either do in person on campus here or online through Microsoft Teams. But all after the course syllabus, in this course summary section, it has every single assignment that is listed by due date and time. And some of the assignments are pre-assignments, some are post, there's quizzes in here, midterms, and even a couple extra credit assignments that are sprinkled throughout. Do not click on these links. These links will take you to the assignment, and if you do it before signing up for My Math Lab, it will launch the registration process, and I want you to watch the additional video that I'll be sharing with you as well with the welcome letter that will take you through that process. Here's the link for launching the Zoom session tomorrow, Monday, the 23rd. You'll see I've got it going a little longer than 2 o'clock in case there are questions at the end that each student wants addressed individually. Just a little bit about navigating the course. When you do sign up for My Math Lab, you will be clicking the Access Pearson link here, and eventually it's going to load an orange colored button here that you'll click to open Pearson, and I'll talk you through that process in that separate video. Here's the link for the discussion boards, and there are 5 different discussion posts that you have to do from weeks 2 through 6. All due on the weekend except for the last one because we end on Thursday of the last week. That last one is due on Friday of the last week. In order to get 100%, 10 out of 10 on each of the discussion board posts and responses, you have to have a unique post that is a response to the prompt and then a reply to a classmate's response. If you only put your own response, you only get 7 out of 10, and you won't get the full 10 out of 10, and these go towards your participation points, so you definitely want to participate. It's not a difficult thing, you just need to remember to do it each week. The files link is very important. It has lots of resources in here for you. Some of them are just files, and some are folders with more files. So there's the syllabus. This is a folder for discussion board directions, etc. This is something that shows you a Microsoft Excel document I created that shows you how to compute what your final grade will be based on your final exam score. This is the most important one, Chapter 151, Chapter Resources. There are files in here, folders in here for each of the 8 chapters we'll cover. And if you click on any one of those folders, you'll see lots of documents, many of which I'll be sharing with you via email attachment throughout the course. In the files folder, there are also folders for other resources that will help you, like help with my math lab, or resources on campus, and the STEM Center's resources. Also, there is a link to my schedule, and here's another really nice folder. It's got a bunch of flashcards that I produce. I produce lots of flashcards for this course. This is a nice document that summarizes many links to YouTube videos that will be resources for you in the class. And then this is a document that shows you how much time it should take you to do each of the assignments, including the quizzes and tests, based on national averages of those assignments. And my Math Lab keeps track of that data. That is attached to the end of your syllabus, so you can see it there as well. The grades is just going to show a bunch of blank fields because nothing has been done yet, but that's what you'll click on to see your grades. It'll be sort of aligned in a vertical format on a phone, but horizontally if you do it on a laptop or a computer. All right, I'm going to cut it off there and then produce that video that shows you how to register for the Canvas Link My Math Lab class separately.